Hello everyone. Today we have found the job recruitment notification from the Tripura Public Service Commission Agartala. So today we are going to talk about this thing. Okay. So Tripura Public Service Commission advertisement number 02/2026. Online applications are invited from bona fide citizens of India for recruitment to 220 temporary post of Assistant Technical Officer Group B gazetted under the Department of Industries and Commerce Information Technology through Tripura Information Technology Service ITS Rules 2025 Directorate of IT Government of Tripura in the scale of pay band 3 pay scale rupees 10,230 to 34,800 grade pay 4,800. So level 13 of Tripura State Pay Matrix 2018. Okay. So now we have understand that there is almost 220 post, I mean vacancies are there. 220 vacancies are there. So and the salary amount also we know that 10,230 to 34,800. So that is the level 13 of Tripura State Pay Matrix 2018. Okay. So in this table we can understand that the post distribution and the reservations. Okay. Category wise posts are shown in the given below. So category for UR number of posts is almost 114 and 33% reservation for women it's 38, and for SC category candidates it's 38 number of posts and 13 were reserved for women, and for ST it's 68 and 23 were reserved for women, and in total it's 220 numbers including 09, it means 9 number of physical handicapped post. Okay. The number of posts to be filled up is subject to increase or decrease following requisition of the department. So now let's just talk about the qualifications, that what kind of qualifications we need to apply for this. Okay. So here qualifications: Bachelor's of Engineering or Technology, BE BTech in Computer Science or Information Technology. If you have done the BTech or BE BTech or I mean the BTech in computer science or in IT, information technology, or even in electronics and in communication or in telecommunication, then you are eligible to apply for this. Okay. And Masters of Computer Application, MCA, if you have completed the MCA degree, then also you are able to apply for this one. And to apply for the aforementioned post, the applicant must have permanent resident certificate of Tripura. It means PRTC, permanent resident certificate of Tripura. This is in pursuance of GA department notification dated 7/7/2023. So desirable. So knowledge in Bengali or Kokborok. It means if you are, I mean, if you are a Tripuri citizen, I mean, if you are living in Tripura, then you must know these two languages, Bengali and Kokborok, and it's a desirable languages. Okay. Selection process. The selection process consists of two successive stages: written examination of 170 marks, MCQ base 3 hours, and interview or personality test of 30 marks. For details nature of the examination syllabus, please refer to Annexure B and Annexure C at the Commission of websites. So if you want to know more and want to see the Annexure B and Annexure C, then you can visit to this website. Okay. https colon slash slash tpsc.tripura.gov.in. Okay, you people can visit there and check the Annexure B and Annexure C. Okay. So now let's just talk about another one, page number 2 here. Let's just yes, let's just talk about this one, the last date. The last date and the age limitations must not less than 18 and not more than 40 years as on 5/6/2026. It means 5th June 2026 is the last date for the application submission, and your age must be between this 18 to 40. If your age exceeds this numbers, then you are not able to apply for this. Okay, so the last date of the submission of online application is 5th June 2026 up to 5:30 p.m. The applications received after the closing date will not be entertained. Okay, so now we know about this. We know how many posts are there, how many vacancies are there, and we know what is the last date, and we also know the age limits, that you have to be between 18 to 40. Okay, and now let's just talk about the fees, that how much we have to pay for this application. So let's just talk about this online portal part here, this one. So candidate will have to submit application through online application portal only. The commission will not entertain any hard copy application before submission of online application. Read carefully the instruction to candidates. So here, link for online application portal will be available on commission's website from 12th May 2026 to 5th June 2026 5:30 p.m. Before applying for the post, an applicant or new user shall register his or her biodata particulars through one-time profile registration on the commission's website. So this is the website, you have to be registered here, and after that you will be able to apply. Okay, so we know that the link will active on 12 May 2026 to 5th June 2026. So remember that 5th June 2026, this is the last date. Okay, so apply for this before this date line. And now let's just talk about another thing. Let's just talk about the application fees, that how much we have to pay for this rate of recruitment fees. Here, Group B gazetted post rupees 350 for general candidates, general category candidates, and 250 rupees for ST, SC, and BPL card holders. It means that if you are from a general category, then you have to pay 350 rupees, and if you are from the ST, SC, or OBC, then you have to pay 250 rupees. Okay, so that's all. And now let's just talk about a little bit like the for what kind of subject we have to prepare. Okay, so let's just talk about that here in the bottom part. An extra A is there. I mean, it is not that important for us. So yeah, here let's just go down, and yes, this one, part 2, name of the nature of the examination. So the examination shall have the following two parts, that is a written part carrying 170 marks for grade 4, and an interview cum personality test carrying 30 marks. Okay, written part of the examination. So here, the written part of the examination shall consist of the following. A, for grade 4 examination, two compulsory subjects papers, that is general ability test paper and the job oriented subjects technical paper 2. So this two papers will be in OMR based, and the general ability test, it will take almost 50 numbers, I mean 50 marks, and the another one, that is job oriented subjects, it will take almost 120 marks, and in total it will be 170, and the time duration is 180 minutes. It means almost 3 hours. Okay, and now let's just talk about the subjects, that what kind of subjects we have to prepare. Okay, so let's just scroll down. Yeah, yes. So schedule 6 syllabus of the examination. Syllabus for general ability test paper 1, that is English, general mental ability and logical reasoning, and general knowledge, and CA, current affairs. Okay, so we have to prepare for that. English composition, I mean, the synonym, antonym, common phrases, idioms, articles, preposition, comprehension, ordering of words in a sentence, ordering of sentence, spotting of errors, this kind of thing in English. And it'll take almost 15 marks. And for general or mental ability test, I mean, the reasoning part, uh, there will be 15 questions. There will be 15 questions in this, and logical reasoning, analytical reasoning capabilities, quantitative abilities, general aptitude. So this kind of subjects this kind of topics we have to prepare. Okay. And now general knowledge, or CA, general knowledge with special reference to Tripura and northeastern state, elementary knowledge of Indian history and Indian geography. I mean, this is like um, general awareness. Okay. And matter of common experience and current events and problem with special reference to Tripura, India and world. Okay. It'll took almost 20 marks from the 50. Okay. And now let's just talk about another one, that is technical paper 2, full marks 120. So the subjects will be engineering mathematics, probability, random variables, uniform, normal, exponential, Poisson and binomial distribution, mean, median, mode, and standard deviation, conditional probability, and Bayes theorem. This topics we have to cover in the probability and statistics. And another one, that is digital logic, Boolean algebra, combinational and sequential circuits, minimization, number representation, and computer arithmetic. So this kind of things we have to prepare in digital logic subject. And in section 3, there is computer organization and architecture, machine instructions and addressing modes, ALU, data path and control unit, instruction pipelining, pipeline hazard, memory hierarchy, cache, main memory, secondary storage, input output interface. So this kind of topics we have to prepare. And in section 4, analog and digital communication, it's kind of a data communication, right? Autocorrelation and power spectral destiny, I mean density, not destiny. Autocorrelation and power spectral density, properties of white noise, filtering of random signals. So this kind of things we have to prepare. And in section 5, data structures and programming, data structures and algorithm. So this one we have to prepare arrays, stack, queues, linked list, trees, binary search tree, binary heaps, graphs, programming in C++, Java, recursion. I mean, recursion is not a programming language. So C++, Java, in this language we have to prepare. Okay. And algorithm, searching. I mean, there is a lot of algorithm. Okay. Searching, sorting, hashing, asymptotic, worst case time and spatial complexity, time complexity, dynamic programming. This kind of things we have to prepare in the algorithm part. And in compiler design, lexical analysis, parsing, syntax directed translation, this kind of things we have to prepare. And in operating system, system calls, process, thread, interprocess communication, concurrency, and synchronization. I mean, if you prepare algorithm in Java, then it will be covered automatically, I think. I mean, the thread and all. And deadlock, CPU, input output scheduling. So CPU scheduling, you people have to prepare for this in operating system part. And now let's just talk about the database. ER model, relational model, relational algebra, tuple calculus, SQL, structured query language, obviously, integrity, constraint, normal form, this kind of things we have to prepare. And information system and software engineering, information gathering, requirement and feasibility analysis, data flow diagram, process specification, input output design, process life cycle planning and managing the project, design, coding, testing, implementation, maintenance. So this kind of thing we have to prepare in the information system and software engineering, basically software engineering. Okay. I mean the software life cycle, this kind of thing. And in computer networks, we have to prepare the OSI model. I mean the OSI model is kind of a the seven layers of model, like PD, NTSPA, physical layer, data link layer, this kind of thing. Okay, and TCP/IP, it's a five or four type of layer in computer networks, and basics of packets, circuit, and virtual circuit switching, data link layer, that thing, fragmentation, ARP, address resolution protocol, DHCP. So this kind of thing you people have to prepare, and these some sort of network protocols are also there, like transmission control protocol and all. So you people have to prepare for this. Okay, and web technologies here: HTML, CSS, XML, basic concept of client server computing, these are also there. And web application development, this is also included here, so you people have to prepare for that as well. And in cloud cybersecurity and emerging technology, OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. I think OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities is like broken access control and this kind of things you have to prepare. Okay, I mean you people can search in multiple websites in internet, you people can get that OWASP top 10 vulnerabilities. Okay, concept of IoT, blockchain, and artificial intelligence, AI. Okay, and now cloud technology. This is the last topic here, section number 14. Cloud technology, cloud computing, compute network, storage management technologies, edge computing. So this kind of topics we have to prepare, if you so that we can score good marks in this exam. Okay, so that's all for today. Now we know that what kind of subjects we have to prepare. What's the last date for this is, that one is 5th June, 5th June 5th June 2026. This is the last date for this one, so don't wait for the last date. Okay, just apply for it after the uh, activation of the link. Okay, so the activation date is here. We know about the date, right? Here it was listed. Where is that? Yes, this one, 12th May 2026. So this is the activation date of the link. So just after that we have to apply for this one. Okay, so we know the last date, 5th June 2026. Don't wait for the last date, just apply. Okay, so that's all for today. Bye, and best of luck for this exam.